charge a penny from 95, and it is 365 days. 365 days, and so many years. It would have been in America, definitely एकादा मेरा फ्लैट मुंबई में हो जाता था. तो कहने का तात्पर्य क्या है कि when it is free available, because it is our therapy, we are the people behind it, we are the pioneer behind the laughter therapy. So when I am pioneer, I feel कि the moment what has been started, it should reach to every person. And believe me, for every common man, I have done the program. I've been to the best every depot. Best conductor driver, 26 depot, I've been to them. I've been to the police. I've been to Dabawala, Coolies, then fire brigade, then navy, then railway police, and even the prostitute. Even the prostitute Kamatipura. During the World Health Organization Day, I've been to the prostitute area in this Kamatipura and Pune Budwarpet. Pune Budwarpet, I will tell you, the people had come from the Doha. They wanted to have something shoot different things around. So they said, will you be able to come there? And we want to see it, whether they can do it. Because they have never done in their life, So what has happened, some of the people, those who were coordinating from the Pune, so I have told them, we'll be coming by car at this hour. So, and they were informed the media, he will be doing something for the prostitute here. Believe me, the media had reached prior to us and they interviewed them whether you will be able to do it. आप लोग लाफ्टर कर पाएंगे तो बोले हमने कभी सुना नहीं है, कभी किया नहीं है और हमको मालूम नहीं है. And after we reached, when I talked to them about the therapy and I made them do it, and then I had organized the competition on the spot, we gave our prizes, and after the event over, they again interviewed them and they said we enjoyed thoroughly well, and we will see that as and when there is assembly of us, we'll see that laughter will do it. So that is the transformation of a person in a few hours. In a few hours one can decide. And then here you will be the instant judge. And it has got an instant effect on the people. It is not कि तुम एक महीना ये करो फिर बाद में तुम्हारे में फर्क पड़ता है कि नहीं आप देखो. It is not like that. You do it, you will feel difference then. So that is the therapy. That is the therapy. And that is why we want the commonest man, because the stress is not only to the upper class. Every individual, as I have said, they are the victim of the, this bad habit. And that bad habit is the killing things around. So we want them to survive from the bad habit. And that is the reason we have been going around giving the messages and all these things, why we have been doing Limca and all those things, to enlighten the people, to popularize the concept of the therapy. Okay, this is the therapy. And believe me, I conduct my program at Chapati every day morning, 6:45 to 7:45. It is along with the exercise. I have done a sports medicine. I am a cricket coach too. Last 24 years I have done a cricket coaching, and I have played wonderful cricket in Mumbai. I was MCA managing committee member. I was captaining Bank of Baroda team. I was captaining the various team in Mumbai. I have played almost with all the test cricketer of Mumbai. So what has happened, that has made, I know the anatomy of the body. So I make them do the exercise. I make them do the pranayama, yoga, jogging, walking, running around. And all those things makes the difference. It is not only a laughter, but it's a package of fitness. And package of fitness everyone enjoys. Even the Surya Yoga. We make people do the Surya Yoga. It is a different thing. You have to affix the coin, concentrate the sun, absorb the sun energy. So that's the Surya Yoga. And all those things makes the person fittest person without the medicine. Believe me, from 95 at least, I have not taken any medicine. Not a pills, not a ointment, not a syrup. So that's the fitness level. And that is what we enjoy. So the moment you are fit, you will enjoy the more work. You will enjoy the family gathering. You will enjoy to talk around with the family business everywhere. So that's the difference. That's the difference. And what we spend. We don't spend anything. We don't spend anything. So that is the. So what my saying is, this is in abundance with everyone. Like suppose if I am carrying a purse 1,000 rupees, if I give it 500 rupees to someone, it has been reduced by 500. But in the case of the laughter, in case of the smile, even if you give thousands of times, it will never reduce. You have got a stock, you have got a buffer stock. Keep on giving, it will never reduce. On the contrary, you will create the fellowship. A lot of people will be wanting you to be around you. So that's the thing. And God has given this wonderful gift. None has taught you. It is by birth you know it. When you were just 2 months old, you were smiling, laughing 300 times a day. And without the reason. The moment you have grown up, it has been reduced and it has become almost negligible. But whereas when you were very small, 2 months old, you were crying with all the reasons. If the clothes are wet, you were crying. If you are hungry, you are crying. If you have not seen your parents, you are crying. But for the laugh, for the smile, there were no reason. But nowadays, we just search around the reason. मुझे कोई कुछ बोलेगा तो मैं हंसूंगा. मैं ऐसे कैसे हंस सकता हूँ? And believe me one thing, the body doesn't know what is real and artificial. What is biochemical reaction need to be take place in the body, that takes place. Endorphin, immunoglobulin, that being produced in abundance. And that gives you a person a good mood, positive attitude. Endorphin has got two wonderful property, healing property, then pain relieving property. And immunoglobulin, your immune system will function wonderfully well. You will not be a prey or victim of the viral things. And even if you have something, you will recover faster. What normal man will take 5 days, you will be recovered in 1 day time. Because your immune system is good. So all these are the benefits. There is abundance. So many benefits you cannot describe. I have written a book on laughter therapy and that is available in the market. Any bookstall, Laughter Therapy by Kishore Kuwala. It has been published by Navneet Prakashan. Even my CD is there in the market. My DVD I am about to come out with it. It will come. CD is also available. Yeah, CD is also available. So any bookstall you can go. Any bookstall means where you get the student's book. Because it is a Navneet Prakashan. Navneet Prakashan is a very popular Prakashan. So they have done it. And it was published last year. And I was just waiting for the DVD because I was likely to get this certificate. So certificate aspect has to be mentioned about those things. So that is the reason it was little delayed. So with this view, shall we do the laughter now, straight away? Huh? I think what I have said has convinced you or not? Are you convinced? And you can come any day, any day. There are no charges, no fees. Even if you come halfway, nobody will question you why you come halfway. Even if you go halfway, nobody will question you. Because Bombay life is such. We cannot be rigid about the timing. If you don't I will not allow you. It is not like a school now.
That will cost
that will cost. Need to reach around. See, normally we try around. See, if my class is 6:45, I'll see that 1 or 2 minutes I should be early there. So means others should not wait. Others should not wait. And believe me, every day about 30-40 people they come. They undergo this therapy. And they enjoy it 1 hour. And once you do 1 hour, it works as a patrol. You need not to fill with any other things. Then you need not to observe about other aspects. Because it is a prana.
What about laughing lonely?
Huh?
What about laughing lonely?
Lonely also you can do it. But see, for doing lonely, to get the good result, because what happens, how will I improve my capacity? Suppose if I compare my laughter with him, I will compare with my other colleagues in the garden. Then it will increase. Then it will enhance. Enhance.
Suppose I laugh lonely.
I'll tell you. Open out the topic. See, when you laugh for the 10 seconds, it is equivalent to 3 minutes rowing. If you do the rowing, so boating करने की जाएंगे तो कितनी एनर्जी लगती है, तो it is equivalent to that. So don't, it is a wrong conception in the mind कि your calories are not burned. A lot of calories are burned. And if you do the 100 belly laughter, 100 times your belly will go up and down. That is equivalent to 10 minutes rowing. And rowing, when you start doing it, even a 1 minute is a big period. And even the laughter, if you do it, even a few seconds, you will feel you are exhausted. I have been asking my laughter members कि 1 minute घड़ी में देखो और 1 minute करो फिर भी नहीं हो रहा है. And they have been practicing last 4 years. Because what we feel कि अरे खाली laughter करना, it is not that. हम लोग जब भी हंसते हैं, हम लोग कोई भी कोई घटना के ऊपर हंसते हैं, stop. So see, so far we have laughed for others. Somebody has said and I have laughed. But after this, you will be laughing for yourself, for your health, for well-being. You understand? So there will be a difference. So अगर मैं 15 मिनट उधर लाफ्टर कराता हूँ, 15 मिनट मेरे लोग लाफ्टर करते हैं, तो कितनी कैलोरी की उन्होंने इस्तेमाल की होगी, अंदाजा करो.
15 मिनट सबके साथ में करें और 10 मिनट अकेले करें.
हाँ,
नो प्रॉब्लम है सपोज.
No problem. What? नहीं, see, if you, I'll tell you, you have to compare yourself. Don't compare anyone else. Suppose मैंने घड़ी देखी, मैंने एक लाफ्टर किया, एक 15 सेकंड हुआ. 10 दिन के बाद में मैं 15 सेकंड से 20 सेकंड हो सकता हूं कि नहीं. Otherwise the body will get immune. We do a different laughter. We have got the 50 type of different laughters. So we don't repeat every day the same thing. अगर 8-10 किए, कल 10 दूसरे करेंगे, परसों दूसरे करेंगे, कोई भी ओकेजन आएगा, सेलिब्रेशन आएगा, फेस्टिवल आएगा, तो we'll have a festival laughter. So there will be a variation in the laughter. So many a time monotonous, will make you discontinue the things. So monotonous should not be there. Monotonous कोई भी चीज में, even हमारी exercise में भी, there will be every day different exercise. So people will enjoy it. There should be a element of enjoyment, element of feeling has to come, and that will make you do it more better.
What's up, sir? Suppose somebody is very much depressed, his father has died, you ask him to laugh.
I'll tell you, I'll narrate you one more question. See, what question you have raised. I have one person named Mukund Bhai Saddev. Formerly I used to do it at the Priyadarshini Park. He lost his brother and he was being the head of the family. The whole family got depressed because they lost the function. Believe me, next day morning, he brought the whole family to the laughter club. Here you are not going for the enjoyment. Remember one aspect, it becomes a part of the routine. As you have been doing a brush, as you have been going to the toilet, as you have been eating your food, as you have been taking your tea, so it becomes a routine. You are not going for the entertainment. You are doing something to undergo the routine aspect. And to be positive. See, हमारी परिवार में किसी की डेथ हुई है, so we have taken all the precaution, best of the doctor, best of the hospital, and something has happened. And I am not neglecting the last ride का जो अगर टाइमिंग है, वो निगलेक्ट करके मैं यहाँ पर आऊंगा तो लोग मेरी तरफ उंगली बताएंगे बराबर है. लेकिन मुझे लास्ट राइड के लिए 12 बजे जाना है और मैं अगर 7 बजे यहाँ पर आया, मेरी रूटीन मैंने कर दी, तो मुझे कोई किसी को बोलने का हक नहीं है. मेरी फीलिंग मेरे परिवार के लिए तो वही है. मेरी बहन गुजर गई पुणे में. नेक्स्ट डे आफ्टर द फ्यूनरल, in the night only we came, and the next day morning I was in the laughter club. See,
It has affected your sister's death.
but it's not enjoyment I'm saying now. I'm not going for the fun. If you are going for the fun, if you are going for the entertainment, then it is a different thing. Are we not doing our routine things? Are we not doing it? So you have to make up it.
Sorry, I don't agree 100%. I mean,
See, it takes
कोई किसी की मैयत सामने पड़ी हो और हंसे,
किसी के नहीं वो तो हो गया ना, डेथ तो हो गया, नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग में बोल रहा हूँ वहां पर